let's be clear, Toby Chanko himself is not clear, is not clean. Remember, Toby Chanko was the campaign manager of President Bongbong Marcos's alyansa para sa bagong Pilipinas senatorial slate that ran in 2025. At kabilang doon sa senatorial slate na yon, si former Senator Bong Revilla who was implicated in the flood control issue. Since 2010, him and his brother John Ray Chanco has been swapping positions between mayor and congressman of the city, no? So for almost 2 decades, no, hawak-hawak nila ang navotas, yet patuloy pa rin yung pagbaha. Kung 2 decades ka nang namamahala sa isang syudad at hindi pa rin nasosolusyonan yung mga problema tulad ng baha at yung iba pang mga problema sa Navotas City, tapos you have held on to power, nagpapasapasahan kayo ng kapatid mo, no, as mayor and as congressman, no, there's something wrong. While corruption is greed, so is political dynasty, no? Yun ang klaro. Pareho lang yan. Criticizing the broken system while directly benefiting from it is hypocrisy.